Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the replacement of the charging port on the HP 15-0031NS, gather the following tools: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the repair process. Next, carefully remove the battery by unscrewing the screws on the battery compartment using the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver. Set the battery aside in a safe location. Now, flip the laptop over to access the bottom casing. Using the plastic prying tool, gently pry open the back cover. Start from one of the corners and slowly work your way around to avoid breaking any clips. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws that may be holding the cover in place. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Locate the charging port, which is usually situated near the edge of the motherboard. Take note of how the port is connected to the motherboard before proceeding. If you're unsure, take a picture for reference. Next, disconnect the charging port carefully by gently lifting it off the motherboard. This is where the tweezers will come in handy. Remove any screws holding the port in place, as these can vary in size and type, so keep track of them. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After removing the old charging port, prepare to install the new one. Align it properly with the motherboard, ensuring that all connectors match up. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process even easier for you. Once the new charging port is secured, reconnect any other cables that were detached during the process. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components using compressed air. This will help maintain the laptop's performance and longevity. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back cover back onto the chassis, ensuring all clips are properly aligned and secure. Replace the screws you removed earlier to hold the cover in place. Finally, reinsert the battery and screw it back into its compartment. Before powering on the laptop, double-check that everything is securely in place. If you're unsure about any part of the process, keep in mind that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about your options. Power on your HP 15-0031NS and test the new charging port. If it charges successfully, you have successfully completed the replacement. If there are any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.